Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the features of the nice Sea Beach chair, a perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. This set of 2 beach chairs comes with a high back design and a maximum weight recommendation of 300 pounds, ensuring both comfort and durability. The upgraded cooler bag on the back keeps your drinks and food cold, so you can enjoy refreshing beverages and snacks while soaking up the sun. With an ergonomic design, the chair offers a 30-inch high back support for your head and neck, while the breathable polyester seat keeps you cool in hot weather. The chair also features a convenient storage bag for your essentials and a cup holder to keep your hands free. Made from heavy-duty steel and industrial-grade Oxford 800D polyester mesh, these chairs are sturdy yet lightweight, weighing only 7.7 pounds each, and they fold down to a compact size for easy transport. Setting up and cleaning the chair is a breeze, making it an ideal choice for camping, picnics, festivals, and more. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.